Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide photos in your gallery on a VIVO X300 Pro. If you want to hide some photos for more privacy or for any other reason, I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. So open up your albums and choose the photo you want to hide. And then click more and hide. More and hide. And to check photos you have hidden, click on this button in the right top corner, go to settings and hidden photos. To get them back, click like this and click unhide. And if you want to secure it more, you can add a password to check the hidden photos. To do it, click the button right here and enter the privacy password. So now your hidden photos will be secured by a password as well. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.